Everyone, this topic hospital. Introduction of hospital. A hospital is an institution for the medical and the nursing care of the ill and the injured person needing complete service will a high risk of the complication. Hospitals are the organized institution for the care of the sick and the injured. A hospital is the institute for the medical and nursing care of ill and the injured person needing complete service will a high risk of the complication. Hospital are the organized institute for the care of the sick and the injured. Definition of the hospital according to the WHO, according to the World Health Organization. Hospital and the integral part of the social and the medical organization, the function of the which is to the provide for the population the complete health care, both creative and the prevention and the whose outpatient service research out to the patient service reach out the family and its nail environment and the hospital is also a certain for the training of health workers and for biosocial research. Certain for the training of the health workers and for biosocial research. Function of the hospital. First point, client care of the sick and the injured on the restoration of the health. Second point, diagnosis and the treatment of disease. Diagnosis and treatment of disease. Third point, prevention of the disease. Example, immunotherapy. Fourth point, promotion of the health. Promotion of the health. Fifth, rehabilitation. Sixth, vocational training. Fifth, vocational training. Medical and the nursing research. Medical and the nursing. Outpatient services. Inpatient services. Classification of the hospital. Hospital have been classified in many ways based on the different criteria. Hospital have been classified in many ways based on different criteria. Size of the bed, different area. The size and the intention in the determined by the number of the bed. First point, small hospital. Second, medium size hospital. Large hospital. Small hospital, bed capacity of the 100. Medium size hospital, bed capacity of the 100 and the 300 bed. Large hospital, 300 and the 1 to 1000 beds. On the basis of the health committee report, it is the recording of the classify the hospital according to the bed strength. Teaching hospital refers hospital bed strength 500 and the above. District hospital 200 bed and the 200 to 300 beds. Community health center 30 to 50 beds. Primary health center 6 to 10 beds. Ownership of the control. On the basis and the ownership of the control, hospital are the classified into the two types: government hospital and the public hospital, non-government hospital. Government hospital and the public hospital, these were run by the central and the state local bodies on the non-communication lines. These are supported. They can be the general hospital, specialized and government hospital. These were run by the central and the state local bodies of the inconsciousness lines. These are the supported. They can be the general hospital, specialized. Non-government hospital, they are the supported by the clinicians fees refers gifts or the endowments, not the government hospital, are the further classified as the other property on or non the profit organization. Property hospitals are the owned by individual partnership or the corporation. House divided is the shared by the partners. A voluntary hospital, 6 private nursing home hospital, 6 corporate hospital. First A voluntary hospital, V private hospital, C corporate hospital. Thank you.